Hey guys, and welcome to 2 Egg Farms. I did want to take just a few minutes and tell you what we have going on currently on our farm and in our garden. I did run out of space in our garden plot for me to actually plant some things, so my husband took it upon himself to construct me a raised bed. This was his first time making a raised bed, but he actually took some old metal that we had on our roof that was replaced as a result of Hurricane Michael. So he took that and some wood, cedar wood, and made me a raised bed. And then we just filled it with tree limbs and sawdust and horse manure and garden soil. And so now we have a raised bed. But I did want to show you what we have growing in our raised bed. And this is just an experiment. We're going to see what happens. I have okra, I have some corn, and I have peas. And then right along the back side, we have sunflowers. So these are a couple things that we have growing in the fall, leading to the winter time. All this will come out, and we're going to do our cabbages and our greens, and then all of our winter greens for the winter time. But I did just want to quickly give you guys an update on what we have going on. A lot of what I've learned in gardening the last couple years that I've been doing it is that there's no wrong or right way. You just try, and then sometimes you fail, sometimes you succeed, but you learn. So it looks like we have everything came up. It looks like that we planted. We'll just see how our yield goes, but I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for taking the time to check in our videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the link below, and we'll be happy to provide any feedback that we can. And if you have anything that you want to provide to us, we're always happy to learn. Thank you so much.